Run! Come on! जल्दी Krishna!
I was coming in the evening. Cool.
Go!
Hey, Nian! Come out!
Such a silent. Damn naughty. I got penalties. One now. Both of us. Well played.
We finally come to the end of the most enthralling edition. We are very grateful to Rustam ji. Had it not been for their support, this edition wouldn't have taken place, especially in the floodlights. Without taking too much time, I request Sir Kengri to come on the dais and have a few words with you.
I should thank all of you because the support which you are giving, the children which are coming and playing, this is one of the best sides which you can see in football. And congratulations to the winners, and the losers should try. Second thing is that you are born in such a period that you are so lucky that under 17 World Cup which will be having now, I think it should change the space of the Indian football. See, you know what I always say, whenever I went out and all, and whenever I saw the football there, I always say that a player when he makes, if you see a Manchester United player, Wayne Rooney, he plays 90 matches in one season. So if you want to make your child a player, you should play in as many tournaments as possible. You encourage your child to play in wherever there is a tournament, and whichever possible way, let him play. He learns a lot of things when he starts competing in football. The competitive football is, will only make him a top player. Otherwise, it is not possible. When we went to Sweden, we went to Germany and all, every 15 days there is a small tournament. The 30 days there is a big tournament, and the 45 days they call the teams from the other countries, Norway, Sweden, and all like that. They make an international tournament. So that type of tournament should be there for your child to play. India doesn't lack quality. I am coaching for the last 30 years. The children, small children. India doesn't lack quality. India lacks quality coaches, including me. I am telling you, India lacks quality coaches. If the quality of the coaching improves, the whole standard of India improves. Now people are realizing there are so many academies, there are so many things are happening all over India because of the Under-17 World Cup. Football has also picked up a lot. But the quality of the coaching at the grassroots level should improve a lot. Then India can make it on the top. We are one of the most intelligent race in the world. So why not? Why Indians cannot play on top? When I started this small academy, you will not believe, I was watching a match between Brazil and Italy. The captain of the Brazilian side was a doctor, Dr. Socrates. It just struck my mind, why Indians cannot play this game? If a doctor can play on this level, then why Indians will not be able to play? Why the education and this has to be together? So whenever I try to coach a small child, I always tell him that the education is very important. He has to study well. Even the player which was produced in Don Bosco, when I was here, Abhishek Yadav, he was MA first class in political science. So, you know, the education and football, if you go together, you will have a much intelligent footballers. The IQ level of your children must be very high. When they start studying well, it improves. To be at the right place at the right time, you require a lot of brain, and football is all that. So, you know, tell your child that he is under a professional coach, and he should not play anywhere. He should not get tired. Then only he will start studying. And once he starts studying well, the whole his approach towards the game will improve, because he will be very intelligent. Whenever this child I coach, I tell him, is the minimum effort, he should put minimum effort and maximum gain. These are what they should have. I really thanks to Mr. Rustom ji. It is not easy. It is not easy to run an academy. It is not easy to run a football academy. And thanks to Joshua, you will not believe, I don't do anything. I am completely retired. But the boy, the Joshua works from morning 8 to night 8. I see them, Joshua, Floyd and all his company. Today, if you can see so many footballers and if you can see this enjoyable football, the credit goes to them, because they work behind the scene, and the name is Kinkris. And I don't do anything, to be frank with you. But he was my student when I was with him, and I knew how good he was. So at least when he got injured, and when he couldn't play on the football on the top level, I always dreamt that he should play football on the top level. Whoever must have seen him playing, they will always still tell you that he was the most graceful player on the field. Because I was playing in the same position which he was playing. So I put a lot of football in him, that this is the way of football. I always tell people that football should be graceful. People should enjoy. People should clap. So he was one of the most enjoyable and graceful player on the field. I was also watching, Indians will definitely play. We should encourage to play classical, beautiful football. Beautiful football makes it beautifully. If you see the slogan of Kinkris, it is written, beautiful game to be played beautifully. The slogan of Kinkris at the back is like this, it's a beautiful game, it should be played beautifully. But I am so happy of them. I saw so many talented players, encourage them to play good football. There are so many guys who can become outstanding footballers. But remember one thing, it is the coaches who make the difference. They are the most important people in their life at this age. They can motivate, they can do everything for a child at the age of 12, because their mind is like that. So to make a coach, coaches are very important. Give them the right importance, encourage them, and they will make your child a player. My thanks to Don Bosco, because you know this beautiful atmosphere and all is only because of Don Bosco. I have won. If these are the schools which make a lot of difference for Indian football, the Bombay football. They keep this alive. See the ground, the way the football is there is thanks to Don Bosco. Thanks to my guest, Rustom ji, because they have come to help us. It is very difficult. We realize that how difficult it is to run football in this. We have got 5 teams, under 17, under 18, under 19, a girls team and a big team. The only reason why you maintain this team that your child has to look forward for your team. When he's 16, he knows if I'm good enough, I'll be placed under 17. If I'm good enough, I'll play under 18. If I'm good enough, that there is a high league second division team which he can opt for. So you know that is a way for him to become. That is the reason why the teams are maintained. You spend a lot of money on that team. To maintain a high league second division team is not easy. People like Mahindra and all, they backed off. It's not easy to run and maintain a team. It's very difficult. But we maintain the team only because these people, because they have got it to look for. They can look ahead for the high league section. And again I'm telling you, encourage your child. It's a very good game. I was very passionate about football. I love football like anything. Even today I say, whenever there are small children playing in Fire Garden and all, I just go and see. I love football to the last, you know. Then I love these people to see them play. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Let me tell you, it's not about me. It's basically the groundsmen out there who are clearing the ground for you. All the coaches, all the management staff at Kinkris who actually make this happen. So it's not about me. It's all about the guys who are not visible in front of you. Probably I'm quite a familiar place, but it's all about all these people who actually make this happen. We move on with the prize distribution ceremony. As they say, ladies first, so let's start off with the girls. The goalkeeper in the women's category goes to Annette Mascarenhas. Annette Mascarenhas represents Bandra Packers. Sorry, CV. The most skillful women's player goes to Laura Estebrero. Laura has also represented India. She represents Bandra Packers. The most valuable player in the women's league goes to Shalon Pinto. The team that stood third in the women's league, the Kengre women's football team. They stood third. Thank you. The team that stood runners-up in the women's league, Bandra Packers. I think they need a loud cheer to watch this. Of the fourth edition of the Rustomjee Go Green Cup, Seaview. Requesting the coach as well. On to the under 10 category. In the under 10 category goes to Johnson. The most skillful player in the under 10 category goes to Boris Fernandez. Player, the MVP in the under 10 category goes to Khurshid Syed. Under 10 category, the teams that stood third, the two losing semi-finalists, will have one at a time. Team Mandrake. Thank you. B team. Thank you. In the under 10 category, Jaguar, Team Jaguar. Don Bosco 18.